little sugar in your tea? Well, it's kind of funny how, like, I'll be sitting and like drinking a smoothie, and then I'll be swirling it around in the cup, and then I'll look over and she's starting to do the same thing. You gonna have some more? Okay. I'll have some too. Is that one for me? Thank you. A spoon? Thank you. You have a spoon for me? Thanks. I have one. I have one right here. Is that Elsa's spoon? Thank you. More tea? I'll have some more too, please. Thank you. Elsa is gonna have some more?